from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. This is my son, Max.
Hi.
We are going to be doing a burst blowout today, Max's request. And the colors that we're doing are black, silver, and 2 shades of green. So, let's get painting. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, okay?
I was so awkward.
No, you aren't, you're fine. So we're gonna take this black, okay, and you're gonna pour it right in the center. And then you're gonna take your colors and you're gonna do
And then like rings.
All right?
Okay.
And then we're gonna take the hair dryer and we're gonna blow it like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Okay, so let's go through our colors, all right? So the center is Amsterdam's Oxide Black with 3 parts of North American floetrol. I also have Mont's Black with 2 parts North American floetrol and a little bit of water. This is silver, I think it's DecoArt's Dazzling Metallics. And it's also 2 parts North American floetrol and a little bit of water. And then the 2 greens are mixed the same way. This is DecoArt's Festive Green and Amsterdam's Permanent Green Light. Okay, so that's our colors. Are you ready, Freddie? I mean, Max?
I am ready.
Okay, good. All right, so what we can take the sticks out. Just give them a little scrape and then set them over here individually. I want you to go ahead and kind of estimate and then pour about like that much.
With the big one or the small
No,
one?
with the small one, because it's mixed differently.
Okay, and like just...
In the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, just go for it. So now you're gonna do you want me to show you kind of the size of the ring that you should do?
Yeah.
Or like how, so it's not the easiest thing, but that's okay. It's easy, always easy to fix, okay? Okay, so just go slowly. You can leave some space in between. Okay. Take your time, don't be in a rush. Okay. If it touches, it doesn't matter. We're gonna blow it. Okay. So I would do, well, the other green or the silver. It's up to you.
Okay.
And just go slow and take your time. Yep, that's fine. If it's a little bit bigger, it's fine. Yep. Perfect. Okay, good. It's okay. And if you drip, it's not a big deal because we're going to blow it, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, so now do your silver. It's up to you, whatever color. If you want to do black again, then you got to use the bigger cup.
Okay. I want to do one more layer of green.
Okay, you got lots of room. We're gonna go almost right out to the,
Oh, okay.
so however you want to do it. Why don't you do that green and then the metallic green, kind of switch it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Actually, let's do a little bit more. Put a little bit more up here.
Okay.
Make that a little bit thicker. Same with over here. Take that bright green. We're going to do the same thing and go around this ring one more time. Okay, and then if you want to just take the silver and just bring it right up to the corner. Okay, perfect. You can do it there, yep, so that it kind of matches a wee bit.
Can I do a little more?
Bring it right in, yep. Okay, and you're gonna wanna like bring it down to the center and blow out.
Okay.
Okay?
So.
Okay, so I want you to do almost the same thing. You're gonna have to hold the cord like this. Let me show you one stroke, okay? So like this. Okay. We're gonna try and move that black out.
Oh, okay.
Okay? See, so come back in here. And just take your time, okay? Play.
Okay.
Try not to touch the canvas with the blower. You're doing a good job.
Okay, I think I'm happy with that.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Okay, so you want a torch? Okay.
And what does this do?
It pops the air bubbles
And I just...
and just keep it moving. Okay, what do you think? Is that it?
I like it, yeah.
Okay, good, good. All right, so let's do a close-up. Okay, everyone, so here is Max's final piece. I promised him I would not touch it. I would not play around with it like I would normally with my own pieces. That festive green actually looks almost like very golden. I love it. So he likes this exactly how it is. We're gonna let it dry. And he's gonna have this on his wall in his bedroom. The silver made some great cells. I would never pick these colors, but that's okay. That's why each of us is so individual. I am not a huge fan of green. However, this looks really cool. All right. So Max has recorded an outro, so stay tuned for that.
Thanks everyone for watching. This was so much fun. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment down below and see how you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye!
Okay, bye. I'm taking a minute. That was so bad.
It was not bad.
Is it what?
No, it wasn't.